A very good morning to all of you. Today I am Suryansh with my next video, which is on the topic stages of mitosis. So today I will tell you that what is mitosis. Mitosis is basically the phase of the cell cycle and the cell division in which the actual division of the parental cell into the two daughter cell has been done. Okay, so mitotic phase is very important because it takes very less time, but it's important because the actual cell divisions occurs in this stage. M phase is furtherly divided into the two phases. The first one is the karyokinesis and the second one is the cytokinesis. So if we talk about the karyokinesis, so karyokinesis, as you know, it is the karyo, that is something related to the nuclei. So karyokinesis is basically the division of the nuclei. Okay, and the cytokinesis is something which is related to cytoplasm, that is the division of the cytoplasm. Okay, so let's further move. I would like to tell you first of all about karyokinesis. Karyokinesis is the separation of the daughter chromosomes into two daughter nuclei. As we know, during the S phase of the interphase, the amount of DNA has been duplicated, okay, or it has been increased, okay, but the separation has not been done in that case. Now during karyokinesis, the main thing is that the separation of the daughter chromosomes into two daughter nuclei has been done. Okay, this is the definition of the karyokinesis. So let's move to the different type of cell divisions are there in different organisms. It is not always be said that mitosis has been done in this organism or mitosis has been done in this organism or meiosis in this and anything. So we have three types basically: amitosis, in which the mitosis is not done, okay, meiosis, and the third one is mitosis. So I will not tell you basically the what is amitosis. Let's start with the mitosis. So mitosis is basically the process which has been discovered by a German biologist, okay, in the animal cell. It has been very controversial that there are two scientists who had basically discovered the mitosis division, okay, or the equational division. The first one is the German biologist Walter Fleming, who discovered division in the animal cell and also named this process as mitosis. And the second one was observed by the Strasburger in the plants. So it's controversial, so we take them as a different. Like in animal, the Walter name will come, and in plants, the Strasburger. Okay, so let's move to the different stages or different four stages of the karyokinesis. The first one is the prophase, second one anaphase, third one metaphase, and the fourth one telophase. और if we see about the हम अगर देखते हैं कि भाई सिंपली कि पहला कौन सा होता है, सेकंड कौन सा होता है, थर्ड कौन सा होता है, लाइक नंबर वाइज. सो यू कैन लर्न बाय द P is for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, and T for telophase. So this is the sequence, okay, of the different stages of the karyokinesis. So let's start with the prophase. Prophase is the first and the longest stage of the karyokinesis, okay, as the nuclei has been prepared in the G1 phase, but now the division will occur. Okay, so it is also divided into four phases. The first phase is prophase, which is the first and the longest phase of the karyokinesis, not of the cell cycle. If we talk about the cell cycle, then the longest phase is G1 phase, okay. But when we talk about karyokinesis only, then the prophase will be the longest stage. Chromatin material starts condensing, resulting in the formation of chromosome. This is a very good important point, that the chromatin material start condensing and the resulting in the formation of the chromosome. Basically, the formation of the chromosome has been done in the prophase. Okay. Now, nuclear membrane and the nucleolus starts disappearing. As the chromosomes are condensing, the nuclear membrane which is surrounding the nucleus is also starts disappearing, and the nucleolus also starts disappearing. Okay, in animal cell, the centrioles start moving towards opposite pole of the cell and forms astem. Okay, So it is also a very important point, because whenever we talk about the mitosis in the animal cell or in the plant cell separately, then we saw that mitosis process is somewhat very different, or we can say it's little bit, we can say that it is different in plant cell as compared to animal cell, because in animal cell the esters are there, so it is a esteril type of mitosis, but in plants ester formation will not occur, so it will be a asteril type of mitosis. Okay, so in animal cell the centriole starts moving towards opposite side, जो हमारे centrioles होंगे वो opposite side में आ जाएंगे, and the ester will start forming themselves. Okay, so this is prophase, and the prophase basically it is the initiation of the spindle formation. Spindle formation took place in the prophase and occurs by the end of the prophase. Okay, we can say that it initiates in the prophase, but at the late prophase it will continue. Spindle fiber attached to kinetochore of each chromosome. Okay, now what's happened? The spindle apparatus has been formed as the esters has been formed. Now the spindle formation, basically the spindle fibers get attached to the kinetochores, because that kinetochores, like if this is the new chromosome, now kinetochores are here, this is the kinetochore and this is the kinetochore. So this kinetochore basically just separate the chromosome in the later phases. Okay, so the kinetochore basically help in the separation of the chromatids or sister chromatids of the chromosome, whatever have been condensed. Okay, so let's by the end of prophase, membrane and the nucleolus disappear. This is the main function of the prophase, like the nucleolus and the nuclear membrane disappear, chromosome condensed, spindle formation took place, and the spindle fiber get attached to the kinetochore. So let's move to the metaphase. Metaphase is the second stage basically, in which the condensation of the chromosome is completed. The condensation of the chromosome has been initiated in the prophase, but it is completed in the metaphase, and the chromosomes are the thickest and shortest in this phase. If there is a question that in which stage of the karyokinesis the chromosomes are the thickest and the shortest in length, then the answer will be metaphase. The spindle formation is completed. As we know that they are in the prophase, they are attaching to the kinetochore, but the spindle formation is completed in the metaphase. All the chromosome lies in the equator. Metaphase plate को आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा. Metaphase plate has been formed when the all chromosomes lies in the equator or in a line. Okay, like whenever we stand in school ना assembly में खड़े होते हैं तो एक लाइन बनती है. तो similarly the all the chromosomes just condense and they make a proper line. Okay, and the plane of the alignment of the centromeres of all the chromosomes at this stage is called as metaphase plate. Okay, so types of chromosome in metaphase, there are different type of chromosomes which are made in metaphase, like telocentric chromosome, acrocentric chromosome, and then we have submetacentric, and the fourth one is metacentric. I will show you through the images, you will get that. So now let's move to the anaphase. Anaphase is basically the spindle fiber breaks and the centromere splits. What I tell you, that kinetochore's function is basically the split of the centromeres. Okay, so the basically what's happened, the spindle fiber which has been made or which has been completed in the anaphase, in the metaphase, now it gets disturbed or it gets break, and each chromatids now get a centromere and become chromosome. And now each chromatid, the sister chromatids, now just what happened, they just separates and have their own centromere, and then they will just become chromosomes. Now anaphase is basically in which we can say that the spindle fibers contract and the daughter chromosome begin their migration towards the two opposite poles. The migration of the daughter chromosome basically occurs in this stage, in the anaphase. Okay, until now in what we saw in the metaphase, they just are stand, or they are just in the equatorial line, but now they starts getting in the motion. Okay, and they move to the opposite poles. During this movement, the centromere of each chromosome is towards the pole. Okay, now जैसे जैसे स्टेज होती जाएगी, एज वी आर लीडिंग, I started from the early anaphase, but let's move to the late anaphase. I am just telling you as theoretical, but it is not like कि एक अर्ली एनाफेज होता है और एक लेट होता है. बट जैसे मैंने इनिशिएट किया एंड वी आर मूविंग टू द एंड, we found that during this movement the centromere of each chromosome is towards the pole. Okay, now the main thing which has been done in the anaphase is that the centromere, the chromatids or the chromosome with the centromere, they just are moving to the different poles, and now they are at the different poles. Okay, now they are not moving, they are at the different poles, while the arms of the chromosome trail behind. Yes, but the arms of the chromosomes are attached right now also. In telophase, telophase is basically, आपने देखा होगा प्रोफेज will take some time but the metaphase will take some time, but जैसे ही एनाफेज होगा rapidly telophase हो जाएगा, and after that the cytokinesis will occur. It will be a very like बहुत कम seconds लेगा. After anaphase the time duration will be not like कि भाई वो आधा घंटा ले रहा है. It is a very rapid process. Okay, so telophase, the chromosome starts their decondensation. Chromosomes फिर से decondensed होना शुरू हो जाएंगे and become thin and long. Now they become thin and long. They lose their identity and forms the network. Now they just having a messy like appearance in the telophase, and they just lose their identity as a chromosome. Nuclear membrane reappear. Now as we know that in the cytokinesis basically the two cells have been formed, so they consist of their own nucleuses, the both having their separate nucleuses. So every nucleus just having their nuclear membrane. So the nuclear membrane formation took place through the telophase, because in the previous we found that during the prophase the nuclear membrane has been disappeared. Okay, so nuclear membrane reappear around the chromosome clusters. Nucleolus, Golgi complex and the endoplasmic reticulums also reappear, because when we are seeing the I think anaphase and metaphase. In anaphase, the all what we can say organelles get disappear, but in telophase they again start reappearing. Okay, so basically this is all about karyokinesis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now let's move to the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis बहुत ही simple है. It's about the division of the cytoplasm to form two daughter cells from the parental cell. Okay, the division of the cytoplasm. When we talk about the division of the cytoplasm, and there the cell divides into two daughter cells, each enclosing one daughter nucleus. Okay, the process differs in animal and plant cell. In animal cell it is in different way, and in plant cell it is in different way. When we talk about the plant cell, okay, because the plant basically consists of the cell wall, which makes them rigid and give their rigid appearance and give them shape. Okay, so basically that's the formation of the cell wall is very important in plant cell. That's why the cytokinesis has been different in plant cell. So plant cytokinesis starts with the formation of the cell plate. First of all, the cell plate will be made, which actually represent the middle lamella, which is actually representing the middle lamella between the cell wall of the two adjacent cells. Then during cytokinesis, the cell organelles like mitochondria, plastids, etc. also get distributed between the two daughter nuclei, which is important because उसके बिना तो भाई वो cell कहलाएगी नहीं, अगर cell organelles नहीं होंगे और function नहीं करेगी वो. Okay, so this basically when we leads to the animal mitosis through the animal, वो cytosis through the what we can say, the cytokinesis through the animal cell, we found that simple. When this whole process has been converted, just furo, जो फ्यूरो होते हैं सेल जस्ट डिवाइड, जो अब मेरी एक सेल बन गई, इट कंसिस्ट होना है, तो अब वहाँ से क्या होगा, उनके साइड वेज से फ्यूरोज बनने स्टार्ट होंगे, क्लीवेज स्टार्ट होगी, एंड दिस क्लीवेज विल जस्ट फॉर्म comes to a point, and the just two cells divide like this. If this is a cell, the cleavage will come. If this is the cleavage and this is the cleavage, this cleavage will come, it goes in the center and just two cells divide. Okay, but during the plant cell, the cell plate has been formed, and this cell plate basically functions very importantly. Okay, it is very important because the cell wall has to be made. Okay, so this is basically I will tell you more about cytokinesis and the division of the cytokinesis. I will told you something about significance of mitosis. What are the significances of mitosis? So there are various significances like growth होना, भाई सेल की ग्रोथ ज़रूरी है, बॉडी की ग्रोथ ज़रूरी है. सेकेंडली अगर किसी को चोट लग गई है तो वाउंडेड टिश्यूज़ का जो ग्रोथ है वो विच इज़ रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ द वाउंडेड टिश्यूज इज़ मस्ट, ओके, विच इज़ बीन डन थ्रू द माइटोसिस. यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो होते हैं उनके अंदर माइटोसिस इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल बिकॉज इट वर्क्स एज अ सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन process. Okay, it helps them for the multiplication of their cells. Okay, and in plants vegetative propagation involve only mitotic divisions and genetically identical individuals are produced. Okay, it helps to maintain the nucleocytoplasmic ratio important for cellular activities. Okay, so mitosis plays a very important role in the cell division and cell cycle. Abnormalities क्या होती है? If a cell is just having a not a proper mitosis, some of the problems has been come during the DNA formation or during the distribution, then uncontrolled cell division will occur. Or for example, then we found that cancer is basically the proliferation of the cells. Okay, number of cells has been proliferated and their cell division is not controlled by the regulatory molecules, and they just having uncontrolled cell division and number of cells just form, their cluster will form, and then the tumor will form. So cancer is also due to the uncontrolled mitosis process. Okay, cancer can also be a very dangerous because it's the uncontrolled process. Okay, so this is all about the what we can say mitosis, the main two karyokinases and the cytokinesis. Karyokinases के चार, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Then significances of mitosis. In next video I will put about the mitotic poisons. Okay, so please like my video, subscribe, and please connected with me. Your support is very important for my motivation, and I will make more videos and more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye everyone.